You may recognize MOWbi-LAWN Kenobi, my Gardena Sileno Minimo robotic lawnmower, from a video that I posted back in 2022. It's now the spring of 2024, and I just wanted to update my experience and give some tips to anyone who currently has one or is considering buying one. I still love this mower. It is still working well. I have had some problems, however, and I've also found some solutions. When I initially set up the mower, I did it the lazy way. I mowed the lawn short, then used stakes to nail down the boundary wire. The problem is that if you have any areas that stick up, the mower will hit them with the blades. It will not likely cut the wire, but it will nick the jacketing. That doesn't cause a problem at first. The problem is that the wire appears to be aluminum. Contrary to what people think, it does corrode. So that creates weak spots that will eventually break, causing a signal loop failure. Then the mower will not run. I found and fixed those, and I was going to make a video to demonstrate how to find them. However, more bad spots appeared, so I decided to try a more extreme solution. I bought a roll of 304 stainless steel wire online that was of similar size to the original. This is much stronger, and even if the wire coating is nicked, it won't corrode. But I went further with this. I bought a hand edger, which is basically a straight shovel with a pointed end. It's perfect for digging a narrow trench to install the wire at its proper depth. Just stomp the shovel down and push it forward and back to expand the trench, then push the wire in with your fingers. I would have a video for this, but I wanted to make sure it worked before I recommended it. This seems to be much better, although time will tell. I'll make an update video if it fails to last, but as of now, I wish I'd done it this way from the start. Another problem I had was the power supply failed. At the time, the factory power supply was back ordered, and if they had it, they wanted an absurd price. I think it was like $300. So I found one that matched the voltage and amperage requirements, then cut the output cord off the original one to make an adapter for the new power supply. I used a power supply that was sold for an electric scooter with lithium batteries, and it produced 29.4 volts and 2 amps, so that's 60 watts. It may not be right, but it was within the spec, and it's worked well for the last year. I can't say it's the right solution, but it cost $12 instead of $300, so I'll let you decide from that. Again, I wish I'd done a video for that, but I wasn't sure it would work. It might have just ruined the mower. The last thing I learned was just a simple upgrade. I bought some 43mm length blades online. They cut much better than the originals, and I do recommend them. Anyway, I hope this helps someone. Just wanted to share a long-term update. It's worked well in spite of some problems. Overall, I'm very happy with it. Just be prepared to do the install correctly if you really want to enjoy it. Thanks for watching.